Hey there, fellow internet enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. We're going to show you 3 amazing ways to activate night mode using the free and open source Turn Off the Lights browser extension. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Method number 1. The classic night switch on the current web page. To activate it, double-click on the gray lamp button. The mini settings panel show up. Then click on the top navigation bar on the second icon for the Night Mode tab. Next, enable the checkbox here to show the night switch, and it will appear on the web page. With a single click, it converts the web page to dark mode, creating a cozy environment for you to enjoy your online content without straining your eyes. It's like magic. Method number 2. Using the night mode switch in the panel. Once you have the extension installed, all you need to do is double-click on the gray lamp button and navigate to the Night Mode tab. Then scroll down, and click on the Night Mode button. With just a single click, your web page transforms into a beautifully darkened version. It's like your own private movie theater experience right at your fingertips. And now, for the third and final method, long pressing on the current web page. This one is especially handy for those who love shortcuts. By simply long pressing anywhere on the web page, you can toggle night mode on or off, making it incredibly convenient to switch between light and dark modes whenever you please. You can enable this in the Turn Off the Lights options page, at the Night Mode tab. And then enable the checkbox, make the page go dark or light. By long pressing the current web page. Isn't it incredible how Turn Off the Lights makes activating night mode such a breeze? Plus, it's completely free and open source, so you can trust that your browsing experience is in safe hands. So there you have it, 3 fantastic ways to activate night mode using the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. Whether you prefer the classic double-click on the menu, the convenient night mode switch in the panel, or the time-saving long press on the current web page, Turn Off the Lights has got you covered. Enhance your browsing experience and protect your precious eyes with this amazing tool. That's it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.